See if I can get some free fast food at McDonald's. People told me the rules changed.
Fuck!
How may I help you? Have you been home?
I'm gonna go to Taco Bell instead.
Oh my god! A missile's gonna hit McDonald's!
Thank you.
And whatever.
Well, I guess McDonald's didn't fix their shit, bitch. I just got free food, son. Oh, look at this, a chicken burger. So good, so good. Boom.
First bite of the apple. Bitch.